Hello students, today we are talking about the difference between Zwitter ion and dipole. So for explaining Zwitter ion, I am taking example of amino acid. This amino acid molecule has a carboxylic acid group, okay, and the amine group, which are important in this case. This hydrogen here gets displaced from here to here, okay. So it becomes COO with a negative charge and NH3 with a positive charge, okay. That is a Zwitter ion formation through tautomerism, that is shift of hydrogen across the molecule, okay. So this Zwitter ion has different charges separated from at a distance, okay, and these different charges are like there is a center having negative charge and there is a center having a positive charge, right. Whereas in dipole, we are taking example of dipole as HCl. In a HCl molecule, what happens is that Cl is more electronegative than H. So Cl attracts the bonded electron to itself. So it contains a small negative charge and it has a small positive charge, okay. The small positive charge came from attracting the electrons towards chlorine, right. Due to this, a dipole formation takes place which looks like this, which is a charge, no matter how small the amount is, it is a charge which is separated at a distance, and it carries the potential difference between it, okay. So there is a difference between Zwitter ion and a dipole, that in Zwitter ion there are two type of charges, two centers, okay, but it doesn't necessarily contain the potential difference between them, whereas in dipole the potential difference is there and there is no matter what amount of like charge required for the formation of dipole. So very minimal charge can also induce a dipole, and that was the basic difference between Zwitter ion and a dipole.